Actress Rosie Murray seeks funds for surgery after heart attack. The family of Jamaican actress Rosie Murray is seeking the public's help in raising funds for the 58-year-old theatre practitioner to undergo heart surgery. This after Murray suffered a major heart attack late December, according to a post by her son Philip Andrew Lopez to crowdfunding website GoFundMe, where the campaign was launched. According to Lopez, his mother took ill at a birthday celebration for her friend on December 29th. Our life has not been the same as of that night, as we fought to keep her alive and are now doing every means possible to help her recovery to get back to a regular functioning life, Lopez stated. He added that his mother needs to undergo angioplasty, as a small area in her heart needs to be resuscitated in order for her to return to regular functionality. The operation cost up to 1.4 million Jamaican dollars, he said. Murray, a seasoned actress, won an Octaboy Award last year for her portrayal of a mute woman in David Tulloch's Not My Child. Lopez said his mother was just hitting her entrepreneurial stride at the time of the heart attack. She has been growing a weekly business in baking and actually executing her first production, A Slice of Life, last year, he said, adding that doctors have expressed optimism that Murray will return to a normal life after surgery. Doctors say she could be up and running with the surgery. The area in the heart is still receiving blood, so it is not too late, but as time goes by, her chances of fully restoring heart functions is heightened, he said. She is currently doing her best with maintenance through cardiotherapy, exercise, complete diet change, and taking her meds. The GoFundMe campaign at this point in time has so far raised US $10,084 of a targeted US $20,000 from a total of 133 people. So peeps, this is another opportunity for us to rally around and contribute to a worthy cause, as one of our Jamaican sisters is in need of our help. So whatever you are able to contribute, I'm sure the family would be extremely grateful. I'll place a link to the GoFundMe page in the description down below. So if you have the means and you are willing to contribute to the cause, please feel free to do so. I trust that the GoFundMe goal will be attained in very short order, and she will be able to have a successful operation, and as such she will recover fully in very short order. All the best, Miss Murray. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Me say, even when you're like a baby, them have expectations of you as a woman. Me say, if you're nice and fat and cute here, oh, what a sweet little baby girl, you're so cute. But you see, if you're up on the slim side and don't too eat plenty, you get the, oh, I like a girl that, she don't like food, though. Them pretty though. I want serious thing, slice of life.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.